I got monetized on 2nd October 2023, and on 9th of October 2023 I got demonetized. Yeah, that's my story. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vera. If this is your first time in this channel, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, turn on your post notifications so you get more content like this. Story time. Yeah, so basically what actually happened was, on that very day I was not expecting it, because before the day I have been posting a lot of shots. Would I say short or using my green screen to create short, and then I post it on my channel, and it was really bringing a lot of views. It started bringing a lot of subscribers. Yeah, I was enjoying it. It started bringing a lot of subscribers to my channel, so I was so happy, and I was enjoying the moment, and I was always going to my YouTube studio to check what my subscribers count is, and my views, and then the threshold is 10 million views, short views. So I've already gotten to 9 million, 9.9. I was so happy, and I was posting the green screen still. And I, just to make sure that I wasn't doing the wrong thing, I asked my friend, who is also a YouTuber. I was like, please hope this won't be an issue when I get monetized. She was like, no, that she's also doing it in her channel. Actually, she was still doing it in her channel, and it was getting her more subscribers, more views. So I was like, okay, it's fine. Then I continued posting green shots. When I post my own shots, nobody wants to see my face, and it's quite painful. Not painful though, it's fine. So my shots weren't getting views, but the green screen shots were getting views. That's kind of reaction videos to other people's content. So I kept doing it, and that very day, on the 2nd of October 2023, I was about to go on live with my friend, and we wanted to try out the live that day. So I was live. The next notification that came into my phone was, you have been was it as congratulations, you've joined. I will put it on the screen. I've joined the YouTube partnership program. I was so happy. I was very, very happy. I was like, okay, so what's the next step? I started setting up everything, the Google AdSense, creating accounts, doing all that, and I was living by the moment. So my friends were advising me, since this stuff is giving you views, and since it was actually what got you monetized, why don't you continue doing it? I was like, yeah, that's a nice idea. So I continued posting. I continued posting green screenshots, reacting to green people's content, right? So this very morning, I just woke up, and I was like, why don't I update my YouTube channel again? Again this morning. So I uploaded like 5 videos, and then I went ahead to watch movie on Netflix. And as usual, I always frequent the YouTube studio. So I went to the YouTube studio after watching the movie to check what's going on, like how many views I've gotten in the videos I uploaded so far and all that. So I just noticed that the green mark for monetization is no longer on my videos. I was like, hold on, wait a minute, what's going on here? Am I am I not understanding something? Is something happening? I was like, okay, let me just go to like the website view of the YouTube studio. So when I got there, the same thing, and the information there was not like, okay. While I was checking it, and I got a notification on my Gmail, I was like, you have been demonetized, or what's also English. It's quite a long time. So I was like, what? I couldn't even cry. I couldn't even utter a word. I couldn't even talk. I just said, maybe they are joking. My friend was like, just wait for a minute, or just wait for some days and see what's going to come of it. Like whether there's a problem somewhere, maybe I've clicked something or anything. I waited for like a day or two. Remember, I've not cried. And the same thing was still there. I was demonetized, and yeah. So they were not like telling. I told my friends, see what happened. Okay, hold on. Before that very moment I saw that I've been demonetized, I was so clueless, I was curious, and I don't even know what was going on. I just immediately went and deleted those 5 videos that I uploaded. Are you understanding? I deleted those. I was thinking they were actually the videos that made me that demonetized my channel, and I was thinking immediately I delete them, my channel was going to get back to monetization. I was such a delusional person that very day. I was so delusional. So I, after deleting it, I now went to the ending part of the ending feature in the YouTube studio. So I went there to check what's going on, what should I do to get back to being monetized. So they were now like, if I have not deleted any video, or if I have not deleted up to 3 videos, I was dead. I've actually rushed to delete 5 videos, not even 3. So they say if I've not deleted up to 3 videos, that I can reapply and then do so thing. They told me list of things I should do. But I've already deleted, so I was going to wait for like 3 months, like 90 days, guys. So I waited till 90 days. I stopped posting the green features and I deleted some other videos. I think because I went to check the YouTube policy and they were saying something, if you posted something that looks like what you've posted before is misleading viewers, so it can cause demonetization. And also, YouTube policy is very confusing. You can never know what you do and do right or do and do wrong. Even till now I don't really even know. When I still left those green screen shots on my channel, and I don't know what to do to please YouTube. I'll just put it like that. I don't even know till now what to do to get monetized, or what not to do to get monetized, or something like that, or demonetized. So my English is wrong. I know I did a mistake there, but yeah, it's fine. So after then, my friend told me that I have to wait for like, well, obviously it was there, but she said you wait till like 90 days and then see what comes of it. That I should not delete the videos. I didn't delete them though, so I left them. So fast forward to 7th of January. 7th of January came around. That was the day that I was supposed my 90, that was the my 90 days um completed. So I rushed to my YouTube studio to check what's going on. Like, so it happened that I've actually reached the threshold. And mind you, if they demonetize you, if it's watch hour used to go, the watch hour has to be up to date. It has to reach that 4,000 watch hour again before they will monetize again. If it's short, it has to reach 10 million before you get monetized. So luckily for me, I was in 11 million views by 7th of January, right? So they now told me that I'll wait for like a month before they will check through my channel and know whether I'm eligible to be monetized again. So after, like, I was like, 1 month again, 1 month is too much, right? And if they demonetize you, any view, anything that is going on your channel, no money is entering your channel, no money at all. You just be getting views, no money, you won't be earning. So after that, the next day 8, they now monetized me again. All those views I've gotten over the months are just like lavished. They are just wasted, because I will now start all over again to start grinding for like the $100 threshold before I will eventually get paid. That I'm already exhausted about everything about this YouTube. I'm just wondering, you two don't want to pay me. I'm already tired. And today is like 7 days to the day I got monetized, and it was 7 days before And today I'm just like scared. God, let them not demonetize me again. I can't wait no more. I'm just tired. I want to start earning already on YouTube. So yeah, that's my story. So in case you are using this green screen, you have to be very, very, very careful when you're using this green screen. You never can tell what you do to make them demonetize your channel. Even though people on WhatsApp groups advised me to delete all those videos, I was like, I can't come this far and then delete all those videos because my watch hour is really, 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 really small. So I can't do that. So that's it too. That's how I got demonetized, and I got monetized and demonetized and then monetized again, and then hoping not to get demonetized again. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell for more content. Bye. Love you.